Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you can reach the router's admin interface. Connect a laptop or phone to the router network by Wi-Fi or Ethernet, then find the gateway IP in your device's network settings. Common addresses are 192, 168, 0, 1 or 192, 168, 1, 1. Once done, open a browser and enter that IP. If the router label shows default admin/user and password, jot them down. You'll use those to log in unless credentials were changed. You'll now authenticate to view the Wi-Fi password. After entering the router IP, log in with the admin credentials. If the login fails, try defaults from the label or common combos like admin/admin. Once logged in, go to the wireless or security settings. Look for terms like WPA passphrase, PSK, pre-shared key, or show password. Make sure to reveal the key using the UI toggle. Copy it exactly, because capitalization and symbols matter for connecting devices. You finish by securing and applying what you found. If admin access is impossible, you can reset the router, press and hold reset for 10 to 30 seconds to restore default credentials, but understand this erases settings. Once you have access, change the Wi-Fi passphrase to a strong, memorable string and save or apply, then reconnect devices. If anything goes wrong, reboot the router and client, then rejoin the network with the corrected password. This simple reboot fixes most lingering connection or caching issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.